Hey guys, welcome back to Unknown. Today I'm going to be unboxing the YJ Yoo-Hoo version 2M. And yeah, so let's get right in without wasting time. First of all, from the outside, I like the colors. Even on the barcode and stuff, let me see if they follow the correct color scheme. Oh yeah, I forgot, it's not supposed to be. This is supposed to be red, so that would follow the correct color scheme. But anyways, on the megaminx they got more colors than 6. So yeah, it does seem like the megaminx is not fitting. There's just coming out. That's not shown in the images of the packaging. Suppose you open from right. Yes, okay. There is not much in the packaging. Doesn't really seem magnetic if it's able to slide like that. Okay, that's a tiny tutorial. That's a tiny booklet. Oh my god. I do not like this. This is super tiny. You can barely see the pieces. Wait, let it focus. Yeah, you can see that. This is my finger. My thumb here compared to that. Pretty tiny, but I suppose readable even from a distance. No, I mean like I'm saying like this much probably. Anyways, I do not like the megaminx packaging. Like if you've seen the GAN packaging, they have like a spear. I don't expect them to be a spear in here for the price. Yeah, it could have definitely been better. That's why the box was like that. Maybe for that they had to open it, you know, like flatten the packaging probably. Alright. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch it while I remove it. Okay, now let's redo this. Yeah, definitely. It's pretty smooth, pretty comfortable. Feels weird though. Feels like these are elongated. I've never used this thing before. Okay, first turns. Definitely pretty nice. I would say. I don't know. It feels kind of weird, but I've never used this. Corner cutting is nice. It's just wait, what? Yeah. Going off for the price, magnetic. But how can I do that? How is they turning that? Yeah, it's supposed to be aligned fully. Nobody's ever mentioned this. Okay, I believe there are 12 colors. No, how many colors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, there are 12 colors. They got 12 colors. Let me see if I know all the colors. So this is white, yellow, purple, dark green, red, blue, light green, orange, light blue, peach, and gray. Okay, that works for me. I kind of know how to solve it, so I can scramble it up. What? Oh, okay. I think I got what I can do. I found some hacks. Yeah, I'm getting pretty nice at this. That looks super weird. Okay. I think I'm gonna do this later. Yeah, so that's basically it for the unboxing. Not much. This is pretty nice, I would say, the turn and everything. I can feel the magnets. It's not like very, yeah, it's pretty clicky. It feels weird, but yeah, it's nice. I definitely recommend this for the price also. How much less you're paying. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you, bye bye.